11 simple ways to make your hands look younger. Are you frustrated with the way your hands look? Today, in some few minutes, I will be revealing to you 11 simple ways to make your hands look younger naturally. Make sure you watch till the end. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this, and you will also be notified whenever we upload a new video. Our hands experience the ill effects of the loss of elasticity and aging. It happens in light of the fact that they are presented to photo-aging and to the everyday hostility, such as utilizing dish cleanser, and much of the time washing your hands. These two things, together, can influence your skin. The most widely recognized damages are wrinkles, decrease in the thickness of the skin, and sunspots. Did you realize that a great many people don't successfully hinder this procedure? The vast majority don't deal with their hands with a similar consideration they have to their countenances. Along these lines, on the off chance that you wish to diminish the presence of old hands, you can utilize these basic and proficient custom-made medications. Here are the main 11 homemade solutions for wrinkly hands. 1. Make it a point to wear gloves when cleaning and gardening. Keeping your hands covered when handling dirt, mud, or cleaning agents is the easiest way to keep your hands soft and moistured. Those with latex allergies can rest easy, because there are many different kinds of protective gloves that are widely available today, like vinyl, nitrile, and neoprene. Find them in the cleaning aisle of any grocery store or supermarket. 2. Choose a gentle hand soap to stock by your sinks. Some soaps are too harsh and can leave your skin feeling tight and dry. Look for a hand soap that has a moisturizing agent, like the coconut oil in my foaming antibacterial hand soap. 3. Lavender essential oil. Lavender oil is proficient to treat wrinkles. Its elevated levels of cell reinforcements shield the skin from the destructive free radicals, and furthermore from UV radiation. 4. Don't bite your nails or pick at your cuticles. Keeping your cuticles soft and moistured will help you avoid the temptation, even if you only have chapstick on hand. Chapstick works wonders for treating small patches of dry skin. 5. Ripe banana. A ready banana is an astonishing thing for wrinkly hands, because of its saturating properties. Plentiful in nutrients A, B, and E, iron, magnesium, zinc, and potassium, it assists with the revival of the skin, and furthermore battles wrinkles. 6. Exfoliate often. This helps remove dirt, germs, and dead skin while improving circulation and adding moisture. It's super simple to make your own hand scrub that will leave your hands feeling clean, moistured, and incredibly soft. 7. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is likewise productive to treat wrinkles. It has saturating operators that help hold the water on skin, and furthermore forestall the signs of untimely maturing, similar to wrinkles. 8. Wear sunscreen. Yes, even on your hands. Sun damage is one of the biggest contributors to premature aging, and can leave the skin on your hands looking spotted and wrinkled. Select a sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher for the most protection against the sun's damaging rays. And don't forget to reapply often. 9. Avocado. Another organic product that can keep your hands delicate and without wrinkle is avocado. Avocado is wealthy in cancer prevention agents, and furthermore has incredible anti-aging properties that can fix your wrinkles and keep your hands delicate. It likewise improves collagen creation, which will keep your skin tight and versatile. 10. Moisturize often. Regular moisturizing is the key to soft, smooth hands that will stay that way for years to come. Try these convenient and easy-to-make lotion bars that are perfect for carrying around on the go, or whip up a batch of luxurious homemade body butter. 11. Olive oil. Olive oil has numerous culinary uses, yet this solid fat can likewise keep your hands exceptionally delicate and liberated from wrinkles. It supports the skin, and its significant levels of nutrient E, together with the basic fats, will animate collagen creation and diminish wrinkles. What not to do: 3 don'ts. 1. Don't smoke. Smoking is not only bad for your insides, it ages you on the outside as well. Smoking leads to cigarette skin, which is dull, gray, pale and crinkly. 2. Don't use Botox. In terms of treatments, neurotoxins like Botox are of no value because they inhibit muscle movement but have no effect on volume loss. 3. Don't have skin removal surgery. Surgery to remove excess skin on the back of the hands carries more risks than benefits. It's not advisable because of scarring and the risk of poor healing. Ultimately, the right mix of treatments depends on your needs and goals. But everyone can benefit from taking better care of their hardworking hands. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends and click the subscribe button never to miss any updates from us. More amazing secrets and tips will keep coming. Join us on the healthy side of life. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have handpicked for you to enjoy next. Stay healthy.